Hi, Austin. Hi, Anisa. What are we going to be doing today?
Today we're going to play bowling.
With
our dice.
So we're going to be doing bowling and dice at the same time, learning numbers? Cool, man. Okay, so Austin, we're going to play bowling with the dice. We're going to use 6 pins. And how high does the numbers go on the dice? Up to 6, right? So what we're gonna do is you gotta knock all the bowling pins down and roll a 6 to get a strike. Okay? But there's a secret I didn't tell you. This is Austin versus Anisa. To see who's the champion at dice bowling. I want to give you guys 5 turns each, okay?
Okie dokie.
So we'll see, we'll roll the dice to see who goes first, okay? Austin, you roll the dice, let's see what you get. Roll it. Oh, Austin got 6. Okay, Austin, since you threw a 6 right away, you can go first, okay? So you want to start or what? Let's do it. Go. So he got them all down, and he got a 4. Let's go, we're gonna beat Austin today, go. Oh, she left 1 and she got a 5. But that's still 10 points. That's another strike. And he got a 5. Okay, she knocked 4 down. Plus 6. Another 10 points. Good job, honey. And let's do this right now. Okay, so you got all 6 of them went down. And he bowled a 2. Okay, so she knocked 4 plus 1, 5 points. Okay, Austin, attempt number 4. Go, now. Oh, he got them all, and he got a 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9 points.
Oh, but am I winning?
Go! However you want to do it. She got all of them except 1, so 5 plus 5, 10 points.
Well done!
This is the final round. So here we go, it's all or nothing. Right now, Austin, go. You got them all down, and you got a 3. So 6 plus 3, 9 points. Okay, honey, you need a strike to tie. And go, love! Beat Austin! Beat him! Okay, she missed 1. Well, Anisa, she did a really good job. Really good job. But Austin is the winner. Congratulations to Austin. But we'll get him next time, right, honey? Right? Yeah, she's not too happy she lost. She's breaking up all the bowling pins.
Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.